Question 59.12. Questioner: could I assume then that from all points in space light radiates in our illusion outward in a 360-degree solid angle, and this scoop shape with the pyramid then creates the coherence to this radiation as a focusing mechanism? Is this correct? Answer: I am Ra. This is precisely correct. Question 59.13. Questioner: then the first spiral has a different factor of cohesion, you might say, than the second. What is the difference between this first and second spiral? Answer: I am Ra. As the light is funneled into what you term the zero position, it reaches the point of turning. This acts as a compression of the light, multiplying tremendously its coherence and organization. Question 59.14. Questioner: then is the coherence and organization multiplied once more at the start of the second spiral? Is there just a doubling effect or an increasing effect? Answer: I am Ra. This is difficult to discuss in your language. There is no doubling effect but a transformation across boundaries of dimension, so that light which was working for those using it in space-time, time-space configuration becomes light working in what you might consider an interdimensional time-space, space-time configuration. This causes an apparent diffusion and weakness of the spiraling energy. However, in position 2, as you have called it, much work may be done interdimensionally. Question 59.15. Questioner: in the Giza pyramid there was no chamber at position 2. Do you ever make use of position 2 by putting a chamber in that position on other planets or in other pyramids? Answer: I am Ra. This position is useful only to those whose abilities are such that they are capable of serving as conductors of this type of focused spiral. One would not wish to attempt to train third-density entities in such disciplines. Question 59.16. Questioner: then the third spiral radiating from the top of the pyramid you say is used for energizing. Can you tell me what you mean by energizing? Answer: I am Ra. The third spiral is extremely full of the positive effects of directed prana, and that which is placed over such a shape will receive shocks energizing the electromagnetic fields. This can be most stimulating in third-density applications of mental and bodily configurations. However, if allowed to be in place over long, such shocks may traumatize the entity. Question 59.17. Questioner: are there any other effects of the pyramid shape beside the spirals that we have just discussed? Answer: I am Ra. There are several. However, their uses are limited. The use of the resonating chamber position is one which challenges the ability of an adept to face the self. This is one type of mental test which may be used. It is powerful and quite dangerous. The outer shell of the pyramid shape contains small vortices of light energy which, in the hands of capable crystallized beings, are useful for various subtle workings upon the healing of invisible bodies affecting the physical body. Other of these places are those wherein perfect sleep may be obtained and age reversed. These characteristics are not important. Question 59.18. Questioner: what position would be the age reversal position? Answer: I am Ra. Approximately 5 to 10 degrees above and below the Queen's Chamber position in ovoid shapes on each face of the four-sided pyramid, extending into the solid shape approximately 1/4 of the way to the Queen's Chamber position. Question 59.19. Questioner: in other words, if I went just inside the wall of the pyramid 1/4 of the way but still remained 3/4 of the way from the center at approximately the level above the base of the Queen's Chamber, I would find that position. Answer: I am Ra. This is approximately so. You must picture the double teardrop extending in both the plane of the pyramid face and in half towards the Queen's Chamber, extending above and below it. You may see this as the position where the light has been scooped into the spiral and then is expanding again. This position is what you may call a prana vacuum. Question 59.20. Questioner: why would this reverse aging, Answer: I am Ra. Aging is a function of the effects of various electromagnetic fields upon the electromagnetic fields of the mind, body, spirit complex. In this position there is no input or disturbance of the fields, nor is any activity within the electromagnetic field complex of the mind, body, spirit complex allowed full sway. The vacuum sucks any such disturbance away. Thus the entity feels nothing and is suspended. Question 59.21. Questioner: is the pyramid shape constructed in our yard functioning properly? Is it aligned properly and built properly? Answer: I am Ra. It is built within good tolerances though not perfect. However, its alignment should be as this resting place for maximum efficacy. Question 59.22. Questioner: do you mean that one of the base sides should be aligned 20 degrees east of north? Answer: I am Ra. That alignment would be efficacious. Question 59.23. Questioner: previously you stated that one of the base sides should be aligned with magnetic north. Which is better, to align with magnetic north or to align with 20 degrees east of magnetic north? Answer: I am Ra. This is at your discretion. The proper alignment for you of this sphere at this time is magnetic north. However, in your query you asked specifically about a structure which has been used by specific entities whose energy vortices are more consonant with the, shall we say, true color green orientation. This would be the 20 degrees east of north. There are advantages to each orientation. The effect is stronger at magnetic north and can be felt more clearly. The energy, the weak, coming from the now distant, but soon to be paramount, direction is more helpful. The choice is yours. It is the choice between quantity and quality or wide band and narrow band aid in meditation. Question 59.24. Questioner: when the planetary axis realigns, will it realign 20 degrees east of north to conform to the green vibration? Answer: I am Ra. We fear this shall be the last question, as this entity rapidly increases its distortion towards what you call pain of the body complex. There is every indication that this will occur. We cannot speak of certainties but are aware that the grosser or less dense materials will be pulled into conformation with the denser and lighter energies which give your logos its proceedings through the realms of experience. May we answer any brief queries at this time? Question 59.25. Questioner: only if there is anything that we can do to make the instrument more comfortable or to improve the contact? Answer: I am Ra. All is well. We are aware that you experience difficulties at this time, but they are not due to your lack of conscientiousness or dedication. I am Ra. I leave you in the love and in the light of the one infinite Creator. Go forth, then, rejoicing the power and the peace of the one infinite Creator. Adonai.